Hi friends, I am Rijo. Today we are plan to discuss about Microsoft Intune Remote Help Conditional Access. So how to we can give the remote help application for conditional access. It's a continuity of my previous chapter. If you not watched my previous chapter for the remote help, I will give the link for the below description. So we will go for our learning. Yes, we will discuss about the condition access for the remote help. So what is the condition access policy for the remote help? Allow administrator to control how and when user can access the application and the service based on the specific condition or criteria. So you will tell your user how to you can access for the remote help application through the condition access policy. So we will go for one graphical representation so you can understand very easily. So here you can see John needs support from the IT department. So John is the end user. Jones need the support from the IT department. So here you can see this is the John end user. So this PC they need to the end user support from the. So this is your organization. The organization one of the user the Sam is assigned as a L1 support for the. So here you can see request for the support. So once John will give the request for the support, your IT department already enabled condition access policy to ensure the user who have a multi-factor authentication enabled can access the remote help application. So in your IT organization already enable the condition access policy for the Intune for the remote help application who have the multi-factor authentication enabled only can access the remote help application. So you can see here John has not enabled the multi-factor authentication of his account. So what happened? John tried to access the remote help applications from his PC. So John will be get the you cannot access the remote help application because John is not enabled the MFA not enable MFA its account. So John cannot be accessed from the here applications. So after that, John enable the multi-factor authentication in his account. John can now access the remote help application. So here you can see after John enable the MFA on its account, then after that John can be accept the remote help section. So now you understand what is the reason for give the condition access policy. So we will go for how to we can enable the condition access policy in the Microsoft Intune portal. So first you need to create some PowerShell command for activate the remote help assistant. So this is the command. Install the module from the Microsoft Graph in Force. If you have no install in PowerShell command for the Microsoft Graph, you will use this install Microsoft.graph in the Force. Then after installation, connect to the Microsoft Graph. Then scope you will give application read and write all. After that, you need to move MG service principal app ID and you need this information. Then after you give all information, you can see you will get the remote assistant service in your application. So we will go for the demo so you can easily understand for the how to we can enable the condition access policy. So now I reach for our Microsoft Intune Admin Center. So what we will do, we need to enable the first step for our remote assistant application. So how to we can do that one? Just to go to PowerShell. Then you just run your PowerShell as an administrator. Then click OK. Then go to copy that PowerShell command. So here I am already copied. Installation module. I am already installed that module. So I am not using this. I just go for the connect graph and scope this application. So I just copy this command. Then I will try to connect. So now welcome to Microsoft Graph connected by delegate access. Read more and note you can is when not well. So after that you just give the this information no MG service principal app ID. So just go for previously I already registered so but I will try. See, now I get the error because the service principal cannot update or restore because the service principal already in use. So I am already before use. That's why it's showing the error. If you're not showing, then is after that you will register. So currently the showing means I am already registered. That way is showing here. Okay. So after you will register your applications, Then what you will do, you just create the condition access policy. So how to we can create the condition access policy? Just to go to Microsoft Intune Admin Center. First we need to create one group. So I will just go into create new group. Then here I will enter condition access remote help. Okay, just to copy that same paste, then assign the member. Then I just go for select one of my member group. Just I will go for select one of the user. I just go for selecting for the John. Then I will click select. Then I will create. Then after that I just now I create the group. Then after that you just go for your intra. Then go to property because we needed to enable the condition access policy. So manage the go to security details. Then manage the security default. Then here you can disable. So we just my organ is planning to use the condition access. Then click save. So now we enable the condition access policy. So how do we can get? You just go for the Microsoft Intra. Here you can see Microsoft Intra Admin Center. Go to property. Then you can go for here. Your organization will be get the protect or security default. So just to change that one. So after that I will just go for the endpoint security. Then after that you can see here condition access. Just click condition access. Then I will create new policy. Then here I will enter remote help condition access. Okay. Then after that I will select the user. Very important, only select the particular user and group only. I just go for the group condition access remote, then select. Then after that you can go for here. What is the target your resource? So my target resource for the remote help. So select the resource, then select. Here you need to type remote. You can get the remote assistant service. If you have no remote assistant service, you need to enable that PowerShell command. If you not seen this one, the PowerShell command is error. So once you will enable the PowerShell command, then will be graph. They will be display here. And after that, select. Then network. If you need to give the network configuration condition, you can give the condition. Whatever the condition. Currently, I just go for device platform. Yes. Then I will go for select one of the platform Windows. Then I will select for the access control. I will give the grant for the grant access control if require the multi-factor authentication. And also you need to give addition if you require a device as the marked as a complaint. So currently I will not go for this one. So I just only give the require multi-factor authentication. If the device user have the multi-factor authentication available, then give the grant access. Then select. So now the condition access policy is completed. So I just enable the policy, then create. Now the policy is successfully created. So here I just go for overview, then just refresh. So now the or one of the policy is enabled. So Microsoft Intra. Then here I will go for all the user. Then here you can see per user MFA. We will check the user. So currently you can see here John have no multi-factor authentication is already disabled. So she also have the multi-factor authentication disabled. So we implement only the policy in the John. Okay. Condition access policy. So we will check for what is the difference will be showing in the when they will access for the remote application. So we try to open now John. We can open John from without required multi-factor authentication. First we will check. So just I will open my remote help. So we try to go for John. John, we already enabled the condition access policy for the John. Just click John. Then you need to enter the password. See here you can see they will ask you more information record. You need the more information to multi-factor authentication. So only if you have only multi-factor authentication, only you can enable the remote help on the policy. So I just quit this one. So again I will open remote help. So I use try to use one of another Josie or Sam. You can go for Sam or Josie. So I just go for Josie. Then I will enter the password of Josie. Then I will try to sign in. See here you can see Josie, they will not ask you the required multi-factor authentication because Josie we not enable the uh, condition access policy. So just click this one. See Josie, you can log in with the Josie Rijogo in the remote helper. So I just go for try to different account. I just go for Sam. So I just open again remote help. Then I will go for Sam, one of the user. So I will try to open Sam also. See Sam also they will not ask you the multi-factor authentication required on because we not implement the policy on the SAM also. So I just what I will do, I just add a Josie on that policy again. So we will check if they will ask MFA or no. I will go for the my groups user whole group. Then we just go for the condition access remote help. Then we will add the another member also. Josie. Then I will select. Then I will refresh. So now we will add the two condition access remote help members. Then after that we refresh. So just I will go for confirm the members. So currently we don't have the two members. Then I will just sign out different account. Then I will close this one. Then it take little bit time to complete, but we will try. So I try to go for just sign out and forget. Okay. Then I will just go for like add user. Just I will go for the user. Josie. Then I will copy, try to paste here, then go to next. Then see here you need multi-factor authentication to approve the remote help apply. So currently you can see before you can see they will not ask you the required multi-factor authentication. Now they will ask you the multi-factor authentication. Only you can be access the account. So I just give you the approval. See now the Josie can be access the remote help application. So now you understand the how to we can enable the condition access policy in the remote help application. So now I just wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.